Well, welcome back to Chitteron. Today I'm going to show you my off-the-grid washing machine. This is not new technology. This has been around for a long time. But the way I'm going to show you how this operates is something that they've done many years ago. So I'll show you what's happening behind us. Well, okay, this may look sort of familiar to you, some of you people, maybe even the older generation. I'm not really sure. But this is the way they used to run washing machines. Not this particular type, but they actually had these little gasoline-powered motors. You get a little kickstart here, so you'd kickstart it, and it would start up the washing machine. So all I've done is I've retrofitted it to this new style washing machine and just adapted it to the pulley underneath. And I've got a little muffler hanger here to kind of keep it lined and come off this pulley. So this is just going to go through the washing motion. If I wanted to go through the spin cycle, I'd actually turn this belt around and it would go through the spin. This little motor does not have enough power for that. I'd have to go with something bigger. But the idea behind this is I see a lot of people starting these little motors and showing them off online. I want to show you what it was intended for. What I've done is I've taken the drain line and I've attached it directly to the tub itself. I've bypassed the pump. So once you get done washing your clothes, you can just take that line and just dump it over there and get it out of the way. So, and then after you're done, you bring it back up and you're good to go for the next load. So let's go ahead and get this little motor going and start washing some clothes. I will warn you that it does start a little hard with pressure on it, so sometimes you have to kind of finagle with it a little bit. These little motors are kind of finicky anyhow because of the age of them, but it works pretty good. Let's get started. Alright, then after that, go ahead and drain it. Just take your hose, lower it down. Okay, then just go ahead, after it's drained, put the hose back up there, pull the laundry out, put it on the line, and you're set to go. Thanks an awful lot for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.